All right, let's learn a self-working card trick. Follow along, grab a deck of cards. Let's get going. Shuffle those cards up and spell Magicademy. M-A-G-I-C-A-D-E-M-Y. From there, take the pile, shuffle those up, and look at the card you shuffled to. In this instance, the 3 of diamonds. Take the other cards, give them a good shuffle if you like, and place the pile on top. From there, you're going to take the bottom card, whatever you dealt, whatever you shuffled to, and then you're going to take 3 cards from the top. Now we're going to create 4 piles that add up to 10, starting from the number you dealt. So in this instance, aces are 1, 10s, jacks, queens, kings are 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you want to find your card or the spectators, all you have to do is add these numbers up and you'll find that card. So 7, 8, that's 13, 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Card number 17, other than your selection, the 3 of diamonds. Give it a shot, works every time. Awesome self-working card trick. I'm not being sarcastic. See you next time.